In this video, I'm going to show you how to adjust the row height in Canva tables with easy steps. Whether you're creating charts, schedules, or organized data, this will help your tables look just right. First, open your design in Canva and select the table you want to edit. Click on any cell in the row you want to adjust. Canva doesn't have a direct row height slider, but you can change the row height by adjusting the cell padding or adding empty space. To do this, click on the Spacing option in the top toolbar. Adjust the line height or cell padding settings to increase or decrease the height of the rows. Alternatively, you can manually add blank lines or spaces inside the cells to make rows taller. If you want a consistent row height across the table, apply the same padding or spacing to all rows. Keep an eye on how your table looks and make adjustments until you're happy with the spacing. That's it. Now you know how to adjust row height in Canva tables easily, even without a dedicated tool. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful Canva tutorials and design tips.